and action. You are good to go.
Alright, we're doing the father versus son cook off again. Hot dog off.
Dog off?
Dog off, yeah, dog off. I'm gonna be making little mini hot dogs with my dinner rolls. And Dad's gonna be making something with a weird name that I can't say or remember.
Choripan.
And we're going to eat each other's wieners. I'm gonna want an onion. Dad might want an onion. So
there's no onion on mine.
There's no onion?
No.
We're going to cut up and put an onion on it. I don't know how to prepare an onion.
Cut that off and in the bin. On the board. Hey, there you go. That's it. Hold the knife higher on the handle. Yep. Put your weight on over it. There you go.
Bye-bye.
Do that, but keep it together with your fingers. Okay, so you've effectively halved the amount of chopping you're going to do from now. So now flip it around and now cut like that. Yep. And not big. Think about the size of the onions at Bunnings. Not too small, not too big. Alright, so let's get it in a pan.
Let's get it in a pan.
Slide them in. Just slide them in.
This is Evie. She is a puppy and very sleepy.
She's a beautiful girl. Ooh, that was a big one.
I'm a beautiful girl.
Yes, you're a beautiful girl.
I'm gonna cheat a little bit as payback for Dad cheating on the pizzas last time. So instead of putting water into a pot and boiling it on the stove like you're supposed to do for frankfurts, or like you can do for frankfurts, I'm just gonna put a bunch of kettle water into this plastic container, chuck a plate onto it and wait 5 minutes. I don't know which one is which. I think that's timer. Bit under halfway. Boom. Little boys. I love to wrap up some little boys in a bun and eat them. I'm gonna separate all of my little boys first before we put them in.
Look at them little boys.
Them little boys.
Fred.
Caught it.
Hang on. You caught it?
I caught it.
Caught the bag dropping with the knee.
Yeah.
So what would the text-to-speech be over these little boys here look like tiny little
Pastel de dulce de azúcar ni en Fred colillas.
junk.
You can't say that. It's gonna look like a toasted dinner roll with a sausage and some onion on top, and then sauce of your choosing.
No cheese.
Oh yeah, obviously cheese. So, no brainer. Hang on. Half toast these when these are ready. So these will be half toasted. Ooh, maybe we could do like the milk and cheeses inside dinner. I don't know the logistics of this. For 5 minutes. I'm not gonna half these. I want to win.
It's gonna be
Fudge cake.
delicious.
Now we watch the rest of the other videos and subscribe.
Links up there. Actually, let's put a card in. What card do you want? Which video? One of the ones you're
the
in?
pie one. The pie one's funny. The pie one is my favorite.
Let's get your buns in the oven.
Let's. Pro tip, ovens are hot.
Someone does not like the oven.
That was
But we've got some
face.
Mhm.
You
We've
like,
got puppy instead.
We've got some
We've got
puppy
some
therapy.
puppy instead.
You feeling better now?
Mm.
Turn the oven off first, so it doesn't blow
Fred.
in your face.
Ooh, that one's a bit crispy.
Yep.
Do you want that one, Dad?
Alright, child is dog minding for the minute. Putting a little bit of cheese, a little bit of onion. Four onion cheesy little boys. And mustard. And mustard. Shocking. Good. Gonna make up some chimichurri. We need chili, garlic, parsley, red wine vinegar, olive oil, salt and pepper, and oregano. Oregano. Water. Let's get cracking. That's a half a cup of parsley. Obviously got too much out. Extra virgin. I need a half a cup. What else? Dos. So 1 teaspoon of salt. Yeah. A little bit. Oregano. Whatever. 3/4 of a teaspoon of this. That will go in the fridge for a minimum of 10 minutes before serving. But it's going to be a lot longer than 10 minutes before I'm serving. So cooked up some chicken and basted it in chimichurri, and that's what this is. So I'm going to use it for the chorizo as well. So we normally grill these on a barbecue, but it's pretty good weather, so we're doing it on the stove instead. This got super smoky, so we've had to put this fan on hardcore. But we have splayed the dogs. I have regular hot dog buns. I could not find the buns that I wanted. They're already pre-cut. That's how regular they are. First impression.
Looks pretty good. The bread's still soft but toasted. Smells nice. I've never seen the sausage being split down the middle before. That's neat.
Alright, give it a go. Bread's ripped apart.
Yeah.
Like a
Sandwich. I only got bread and sauce on that bite, but it was still pretty good. For bread and sauce, it's pretty good.
Alright, I need another one.
Mmm. Yeah, I like that.
Alright, and the dog off. Or would you say this is not actually a hot dog?
No, it's just a different classification of hot dog.
Okay, so our dog off was a little bit weird because you can't really put a choripan against a mini Frankfurt in a bake-at-home dinner roll. So we don't really have a winner on that one. Both were pretty tasty, but I think the real winner out of everything is actually this chimichurri sauce.